This is Vishal's new 390. Looks very slick. I don't know what is Gaurang doing, but let's test it out. It has a quick shifter auto flipper, loaded full of electronics. Supermoto ABS है. इसका shift भी. Which gear is it in? हाँ गई. Okay, the brakes bite on this. The brakes are very good on this bike. Shit. Has a quick shifter and auto flipper, which means I can shift without the clutch. Oh shit. Feels a bit odd, more comfortable, less aggressive. What is this guy doing? I don't know why the quick shifter is not working. Feels gearbox feels very clunky on this one, not as raspy as the old 390. But the brakes are lovely, ergonomics are more comfortable. Intersection. Oh shit. I didn't like the gearbox, but otherwise the bike is good. Oh, power slide. But overall a good bike.